Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PhotoRoom for brand photos, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.photroom.com and press enter. Once the PhotoRoom homepage loads, look for the login button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will now see the login screen. Here, you can enter your email address in the designated field. After entering your email, proceed to type your password in the next field. If you've forgotten your password, there is an option to reset it. Simply click on the Forgot Password link for instructions. Once you have filled in your email and password, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your dashboard. In the dashboard, you can access all your brand photos and projects. If you encounter any issues during the login process, check your internet connection. Ensure that you are using the correct email and password combination. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PhotoRoom support for assistance. Now you're ready to create stunning brand photos with PhotoRoom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.